Morning to everyone. Today, when I want to use this Bluetooth selfie stick, this is a Bluetooth selfie stick which is I purchased for 300 rupees and I used it for 2.5 years to 3 years almost. And now this Bluetooth is not working. See here, I'll be keeping this aside. First of all, this is not only a Bluetooth, not only a selfie stick, but also a tripod comes selfie stick. This is just for 300 rupees. Anyway, I'll add this in the view products. Just check for more details. Now the main reason this is not working is the battery got dead. See, here is the placement of this. Actually here it will stand here. Okay, this is what the position. Okay, right. So when I'm giving a long press here, it is not working because the battery is been dead here. So how you can replace the battery by yourself? Do you need to take this to a technician? No need. Means if it is only battery only, if it is any other problem, we can't do anything, but you can just open this here. Is it visible? Yeah, gently. Okay, don't apply too much force. Okay, this is plastic, right? Here you will see the battery. You can just open this battery. Okay, and take a new battery and just insert this like this. Okay, yeah, right, fine, right? And then close this cap. If this doesn't work, even if you keep the new battery, there may be some other problem. Okay, then you need to take to some technician, or you can go for a new purchase. That is absolutely depends upon your choice. But anyway, if someone wants to know the knowledge of how you can replace the battery, this video may helpful. I'm not suggesting you to change the battery necessarily by yourself. That is up to you. Okay, I hope this video helps. If it is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.